I really want to thank all the speakers today. I think we had a very nice morning session. And I'm very, very happy with the outcome of this workshop so far. I would also in particular like to thank my colleagues to put this workshop together, and especially these four excellent colleagues, without whom we wouldn't be sitting here today and having enjoyed such a nice morning, I would say. I'm going to take the time to do a bit of advertising for our own activities in this, and to say to you that the SciLifeLab data center has a data management team that you can see here, and Arno also showed you this, that are actively working in around these issues. And their focus is primarily on the SciLifeLab infrastructure, but they also have the mandate to represent the SciLifeLab and the Data-Driven Life Science Initiative to coordinate national and international activities around this. And a leading goal for them is to increase the scientific impact of the research data that is produced by Swedish Life Science Research and SciLifeLab in particular. And you can contact them at the email address there. And if it's, I should also say that then my organization, NBIS, the National Bioinformatics Infrastructure Sweden, which is also the Swedish ELIXIR node, also has these data management activities. And just to make clear of the division of labor is that the data centers focused on supporting the platforms and the data production, whereas we are supporting mainly the researchers and the research projects. But of course, there's a great overlap where we operate things in together in collaboration. And this management team is, you can see here, we are now 7 of us. We have grown quite a lot during the last year, and which I really enjoy. And what we can help you with is doing this planning that Rob has talked about now, identifying suitable repositories for publishing data, assist you in that process, give advice on sensitive human data, and also then trying to look at more at the finer details of describing your data with proper metadata, and then more other things about preserving your data so you don't lose it during the project. We do also training. I'm just going to plug this course that we are running again in beginning of April. So this is an introduction to data management practices on a very basic level, if you want to up your skills in that. And we're also, together with the SciLifeLab Data Center, running our own instance of the Data Stewardship Wizard that Rob talked about, where we have adjusted the knowledge model, as it's called, in the Data Stewardship Wizard to the Swedish requirements when it comes to data management planning or data management plans. So this is a tool you can use for your planning, as Rob has outlined. And if you need support about it, please do contact us. And thank you, everyone.